How to fix something went wrong TikTok problem. Let's get started. Open your settings app. The very first thing you want to check is your network. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, just open it. Click on the option forget this network and again rejoin it. If you are using cellular data, open this option mobile service. Open the option mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low data mode. Once you check your network settings, also you can switch the network. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, close this, open your TikTok app, go to the profile option. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right you will find 3 bars, click on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Open this option free up space. You will find the section of cache, click on clear. Click on clear. Likewise for downloads as well, click on clear. Once you clear this, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you see the option of update as mine, just click on it and update your TikTok to its latest version. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix something went wrong TikTok problem. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.